In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable Bookstore on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. After that we need to get into Screen Time. Then tap at Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure it is enabled, and after that tap at Allowed Apps and Features. That's where we can easily find Bookstore. Currently it is enabled on my iPhone. However, if we would like to disable it, all we have to do is just turn off this feature next to it, and after 5 maybe 10 seconds it will be disabled on your iPhone until you go back here to Allowed Apps and Features and turn it back on. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.